Okay, good day. I'm Dr. Michelle, the Senior Science Tutor of Geno House Tuition and Enrichment Center. So I've received some emails from parents who are interested in our program and asking us what is inside our science program. So I'm just going to briefly introduce our program to you. So what are we going to do, or what we have done for the Geno House Online. Okay, now let me just do some screen sharing. Okay, so in our program, we do show students on the experiments that we have performed, all right, and we ask them questions like what is the aim, all right, what is the conclusion, and from the results, what can they learn, and we also come up with the worksheets, all right, that students can try on after going through all this picture. Now, at the start of each lesson, we also give the students a checklist, all right, what they need to get ready for the lessons, all right, before our tutors start to go through, all right. So we always recap what they have learned previously, all right, before we introduce. And we have some form of a lesson trigger, all right, for students to think about, all right, rather than they memorizing all the facts from the textbook, from our notes, or from the guidebook. Okay, now for example, we are going through this coming week, right? We are starting on the chapter electrical system for primary 5. All right, so we briefly introduce them. What is an electric circuit? So recap on the chapter of system in lower block. All right, and we also introduce to them the components. Okay, which is the next slide, right? Okay, the components, symbols. All right. Okay, so in a new chapter like electrical system, all right, we allow students to participate, all right, to build the circuit together. And we look at the outcome. We say, okay, whether to connect at which part of the components and which components to add, all right. Then we let the students see the outcome of their constructions, all right, online, okay, because we cannot go into Geno House, our center, or the lab, right, to construct this physically, because usually when we're having classroom lessons, all right, students will have the hands-on, touching the wires, all this. Now because of this period of time, the critical period of time, that we couldn't allow students to come into the classroom, so we let them have an experience of constructing it, through this online platform. All right, so after they connected, okay, with the components that they want, all right, then they will see, all right, the effects. Okay, then what happens if, let's say, we're going to change, all right, the variables, like say for this case, increasing the number of batteries, or the adding of a switch. Okay, and even students asking further questions, for the better students, okay, they're asking the questions on the resistor. Okay, then we also show them, okay, so all these effects. All right, so these are some of the things that we covered. They are able to follow the instructions online, so we show them some pre-recorded videos, all right, and they follow, okay, the instructions step by steps, okay, to get the terrarium built. All right, so they're going to study the terrarium at home, writing down observations. Okay, so this is part of the experiments. All right, then we do our discussion, and students need to record their observations. Okay, so after they perform, okay, so this is the terrarium that the students should get. Okay, and they can look at the observations. Okay, so they do the observations, and in our worksheet, right, there will be questions that's related to the terrarium where students need to answer. All right, and we do the discussion. All right, and our tutor will teach our students how to answer these questions. We give them some time away from the screen, okay, the screen time. Okay, then we teach them how to answer this question. All right, like using examples that they learn. Okay, this group is for P6, so we teach them, what they have learned in P5. Then from the answers, recount the answers. Then students need to try, okay, how to answer the questions that why we do not need to water the terrarium. Okay, then we teach them using our soil methodology. Okay, so in the tutorial, right, for example, this is an MCQ tutorial. So we will guide them, all right, through how to select the answer. So we give them some notes for them to copy down. all right, or they can take photos, so we are fine with it. Okay, if let's say students miss the lecture, then we also have a copy of the online lessons for them to download. All right, the structured questions, all right, as I mentioned earlier on, all right, we will teach them how to answer using the SOR methodology and highlight to them the important keywords, question by questions, all right, to guide them so that they are not overwhelmed. We don't throw them the tutorial, ask them to finish by themselves, all right, because some students may not be able to do so, especially when it comes to a new topic. All right, okay, that's the end. All right, so if you have further questions, you can always call us or email us. We will try to answer you as soon as we can. Okay, thank you.